today we're doing like a reverse mod. We're gonna put a stock muffler on the RX-7, try to make it a little quieter. So this is the two mufflers we're comparing. Straight pipe. Quite a little bit bigger. And then we've got the Amazon Special muffler. Got the tip, the muffler, and all the piping. That's all from Amazon. We got this decibel reader here. It's kind of weird, even when I'm talking, it's like, hey, what's up? It's already hitting like high 70s. So what we got here is a muffler from Amazon. This is actually all from Amazon. But the question really is, we're gonna compare this to the tip I used to have and see how much quieter it gets. So right now, Mark's gonna weld this thing up. You see it's all tacked together. But there's still some big gaps, so we'll seal this up. Is it not working?
No, it is. Just adjusting.
So now it's all welded together.
Yep. Penetration. Second best kind.
Okay, so first we'll put the blast pipe on, get a reading, and then put the muffler on, and then get another reading. And if things go the way they're supposed to, one of them's supposed to be quieter.
I wonder.
Right. Pass the peace pipe, bro. Oh, there's still stuff coming out.
It is. Oh.
Oh yeah, looks way more less sketchy.
It's on 97.
Yeah, and it just feels quieter.
Yeah, it's like listen to that.
Especially from out here.
Yeah.
Wouldn't even think twice.
Incredibly quiet.
Yeah, what do you guys think from out here? Can you hear it? Dude, I can start this up at night. I would call this a success. So quiet. And it looks way legit. There she is. All hangered up. Oh, just one hanger?
Yeah, for now.
Okay.
It should be totally fine. Totally fine. Because there's not much tension on it.